You guys, eventually Xena is gonna have one of these beds. They're pretty much always 40% off, but they're still $199.99. I just keep coming back waiting for them to go on sale more. Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper, along with Xena the Glamper Camper. And you guys, we haven't been to the Pottery Barn outlet in a while in Goodyear, so let's go check it out. And lately, I kind of have an unhealthy obsession with pillows. Typically, I don't buy them just because they're expensive, but this one is $59.50 plus the 40% off. Ooh, I really like that one. It's like textured. And this one is $69.50, $59.50, $49.50, $69.50. And you guys, I've showed these to you multiple times before. They're like never gonna sell them. They've been here forever, but they're so expensive. They're $199. If it was a plug-in, I think I could justify that price, but it is not a plug-in. And they have tons of outdoor pillows right now. They also have some really cheap pillows in their little like in that first little clearance area. And right now the clearance is 75% off. Now this is not clearance, but $59.50. That seems really expensive. And this guy is $34 for a set of 4. And again, or actually, I don't think I ever finished the last video. They did a huge reorganization in this place. So now like outdoor pillows, outdoor dinnerware, 50% off. But now they have kind of dinnerware and plates, which is the main thing that I look at when I come here. They have them spread out throughout the store. $49 for a set of 4, but that's plastic. Ooh, I really like those. Just a thicker plastic set of 4 for $48. These are really cute. Let's see how much this guy is. $49.50 are $20 each, but they're 75% off. But there's a lot of like little scratches if you look really close at them. And then I really like this too. This is on clearance. This is $59. Wow, this might be my favorite thing I've seen so far. It's only $39 plus it's 50% off. I really, really like that. This is handcrafted in Thailand. It's by Pottery Barn. Wowza. That is freaking stunning. And they have a whole collection. They've got the big bowls. They've got these big serving plates. Then they've got these, what are these for? Like olive oil. $39. And you guys, I love these. $59. They've been here, like this speckly stuff has been here for a million years. I wish that they would put it on clearance, but it's from like, it was here before Halloween of last year. But I love all of it. Honestly, it would be kind of cool to have a set of like everything. And I like the black up against like the inside. And then I've noticed this the last couple times. This huge vase is only $4.97. That is a really beautiful vase. But what they're doing is like end caps and stuff that are like a certain sale. So some are overstock sale, marked ending in 97 cents. So like this is $2.97. This is $3.97. They do have Halloween costumes, so I believe these are like in a clearance box, but there's not a sign on them. But that one is labeled as $99. They've got a pumpkin here, labeled at $49. A T-Rex thing at $99. And this is $69. I wanted to buy it last time, but they don't have a pillow insert for that. And then these are just the clearance bins. 75% off right now, $39. Pottery Barn Kids slippers. It's always a little bit crazy back here. And they've got like Christmas stuff still. Honestly, I can't believe some of the Christmas stuff has been here since last year. But they don't they don't really put it further on sale. And there's just like the most random of stuff, like binder, $25.50. And they always have cool lighting, $79 for that really cool lamp. And then These are the coolest lamps I've ever seen. I really want one, but they're $199, and right now the lighting is 50% off, so they would be $100. But this one has a cross through it, so I wonder if this one is on clearance. I am not sure. See, this one has a cross in it too. $99 for the XO. And like I said, they always just have like really funky options for lighting. Like, look at those little mushrooms. They've got this, ooh, it's squishy. It's like an actual cloud. And it's funny when you come here regularly because you see what people don't buy. This thing is $159. It's been here for a really long time. This is really cute. The whole thing must light up, and it is $99. This one is $159.97. And then these I've almost bought multiple times. If I had a place for these, I would buy them stat. $199, but I just think that that thing looks so cool. And you guys, whenever you come shopping in a place like this, especially like if you're me and Zena and walk around for a really long time, you definitely need something to contain your puppers. So we're gonna have Mr. Peanut's pet carriers linked down below. This is the EB Yaya double-decker pet bus. You guys should definitely check it out. We're gonna have a promo code, but promotions, stuff like that don't always last forever. So check it out ASAP. The rug wall, 40% off. Looks like it's nice and full. I like these pink ones. $499, $399, $149. That seems really cheap. This for $29. It's like a little Easter basket or something. But they have a new section of clearance in the back, and they've got tons of dinnerware. You guys, this is from that collection, but it's supposed to be a set of 4. The reason it's on clearance is because there's just one, so it would be like $12, but I really like that. And then they have this set of 3 for $48, and these are the other really cool ones, but they're kind of scratched up. This is $66. You guys, oh my goodness, I found the other 4. We are definitely getting this. But now this is where you have to be careful. That one is literally perfect. This one is all beat up and scratched up on the sides. And these two have huge, and it's not coming off. I think that that's like in the glaze or whatever. So you definitely have to be careful with stuff like that. But they've also got like little baskets. They've got those baskets, pillowcases. Now generally I never buy pillowcases from here because you have to buy the inserts, and a lot of times the inserts are like really expensive. One thing this store always has is bean bags. And then, now that they've reorganized, over here is a lot of furniture. So $1,699 plus the 40% off. And you guys, I'm not exactly sure what day it is currently, but I'm gonna either have this video up tonight or tomorrow. This is $778.99. That tag came off. And they just have more stuff now. This used to be like where the kids stuff was. Now the kids stuff is kind of in the middle. Got some really nice like quilts and comforters over here. This guy, sometimes they like don't have the tag in an obvious place. Okay, so here's a tag. $199, but it's 50% off. I really like this. I've almost bought this before they had this in the past. And that's why I didn't buy it. $209, but 50% off, it'd be a little bit over $100. Some beds. And you guys, they have ton more clearance boxes than I have ever seen before. I've never seen this many clearance. Here is a Halloween crib sheet for $39. Here is a Cookie Monster hat. And I do not see a price tag on the Cookie Monster. Here is a really beautiful pillow for $59. Ooh, I love that. What is that? Oh, that's like one of those kids' sleeping bag thing. Beautiful quilt for $199. And you can actually find some good stuff in here if you like really dig around. That's kind of the fun of coming here, is if you have, look at how good she is. If you have a long time to just sit and dig, it's really fun. I love those pillowcases. No price on that one. It is $49. Oh, here they have a burnt orange kind of pom-pommy quilt. That's kind of interesting. The other thing about the pillowcases is they sell some weird shapes, and sometimes they do not have the inserts to fit. This guy is $34. This guy is $149. I really want them. They come in two different colors, but they're only 40% off right now. I think last time I was here, they were like 50% off. But they're super, super squishy. And along this wall, they've got a whole mix of a whole bunch of like different stuff. Now that is a really soft pillowcase. And then up here, they have even more of what me and Zena came here for. Now these ones are 50% off. A lot of this stuff has been here a while, but you guys cannot tell me that that is like not the cutest thing you've ever seen. $68, so that would only be $34 for the set of 4. I've looked at this stuff multiple times. $58. They've got it in the red, and then they've got the blue collection also. This little tray is $38, and this is new. This is really pretty. Wow, that's beautiful. $52 for the set of 4. $56, $48, and sometimes when I say the price, I don't say if it's like a 4-pack or not, but you just have to look. So like S4 means set of 4, S12 means set of 12, set of 4 for $42, and then these are 40% off right now. I've looked at these pillows before too. I think that those are absolutely stunning. $49 for that guy. And then you guys, they have even more 75% off clearance. So like, this is what I mean. This is the, if it looks like a fuzzy blanket, it's probably not. It's probably a beanbag chair or a cover. $129. Ooh, this is one of those dog beds, but it's in the white, and that's wrong. That says $24.50. This is $249. Zena, do you want that? They probably don't have the actual like insert part, whatever you would call for it. And I've never seen this many clearance things in here before. This is really cute. $219. And these are $45. They have a whole freaking Christmas section right now, and I'm absolutely living for it, and it's 75% off. $34.50. These huge ornaments, let's see what they are. $12.50. And you guys, some of this stuff I actually like bought on clearance last Christmas. These plates, set of 4, $64. I already have that angel. I bought it here before. These are $50. Christmas trees, Christmas balls. And they have so much clearance that they're still putting it out. And they have like this little stuff that's only 97 cents. Isn't that just a derpy little snowman? Then in the center of the store, they have this $24.97 and under. They've had it for a while now. That's $9.97. You guys, I actually bought this and then it got totally ruined. But this is only $9.97. And then I also got this the last time I was here, $9.97. And then that one is the same thing, just gray, $9.97. Guys, me and Xena, well, not Xena, but my life might be complete. Holy guacamole, you guys. I have been looking for this since last freaking Christmas. I love the Pottery Barn, like, fuzzy, furry blankets. And you guys, this is $149 plus the 75% off. They have the pillowcase all the way in the back, and it's been here forever, but I finally found the freaking whole blanket. And you guys, I don't need 2, but I'm almost tempted to get 2. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe that I finally found this guy. Absolutely freaking love this store. And you guys, we ended up with super cute little owl and a violin, super cute little squirrel with a drum, super cute little bunny with a harp, and super cute little hedgehog with a trumpet. Each one of these was 97 cents. And then you guys, obviously, I got the blanket. And then we have one more blanket, but it's in the car. I'll have it popped up right here. You guys, this one is so soft and fuzzy. Pottery Barn Outlet definitely has the best blankets. And yeah, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you never miss the next time I upload a random new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do, and definitely check out the link for Mr. Peanut's pet carriers down below. Adios. Bye.